Hello guys, it's your boy TJ here. Today we are going to check out the new Logitech Crayon, which is the best Apple Pencil alternative for the iPad. Let's check it out. Firstly, it comes with a quick start guide. It has some doodles on the front page, and yeah, let's see what's inside. It gives about the instructions on how to use the charging port and the power button. And for this to run on an iPad, it should be running iOS 12 and above, and it works with any iPad about 2018. The pencil is well presented, and let's check it out. Yeah, this is it's a well built pencil. It's robust and it's made of aluminum, and it is well protected against drops. So thumbs up. It can only be charged with a lightning port. Sadly, there is no USB-C, but it's okay. And yeah, press and hold on the power button for 3 seconds, and a green light will pop up, which means you are fully charged and good to go. Otherwise, if it is red, then you are running out of battery around 10%, so you have to charge. And it gives 1 hour. If you charge it for 10 minutes, it gives 1 hour writing time, and it has 8 hours of battery life on 100%. Yeah, and all you need to do is just press the button and write. It doesn't need any Bluetooth connection, just like any other pencil, and it's hassle-free. Now let's check it out. And it's awesome. Yeah, it's writing pretty smooth. It's actually buttery smooth, and yeah, it has no latency, and on iPad Pro it comes with 120 Hz, which makes a huge difference. But on this iPad, yeah, it's quite smooth and without any latency. It's currently priced rupees 7,000 at Amazon India, which is a great price, a great deal when considered with the Apple second gen, which costs 11K, and also the 8,500 for the Apple first gen. Only disadvantage is that it doesn't have pressure sensitivity, and it can be disadvantage for the professionals, artists, for them. But for basic note taking, it's not. Yeah, it's pretty good, and it's absolutely worth it. Hope you guys like my video. Do share it and press the like button if you liked it. Peace out. Bye.